right? The weather's getting a little bit nicer. It's time to knock some stuff off of my punch list for the truck. Today, what I've got on tap is installing TMat in the bed, which is an American-made product that gives you a plastic mat that sits in the bed that has a number of different tiles that fit together and some end pieces that fit together that have slots that you can install blockers into to secure things in place, like Plano cases or refrigerators or whatever you need to. Going to be eventually this year installing a canopy camper, and my build in terms of stuff in the bed is going to be based around TMat. All right, so the directions here, they included this nice little card that outlines how we're supposed to put this together. We're going to stack the square panels. So we've got all the tiles stacked up over here on the bed, and put them all together, working back to front, snapping panels together, making sure they're secured. And here in the box, I've got all of the end pieces or the trim pieces that should help us fill the gap at the front of the bed, at the back of the bed, and perhaps along the side. And then I put up here all of the what they call blockers. We've got these tall ones, right, for holding cargo in place that's maybe a little bit top heavy. Those are a fixed one. We've got these shorter fixed ones as well. And then we've got a couple of these adjustable ones that you can tailor fit once you've got them locked into the grid. So let's get this stuff put together. So I got that first row together. What the instructions say is that you shouldn't have more than 2 inches from bed wall or wheel well after you're done. So I'm going to need some trim pieces on the sides for sure, at least one. I'm not sure about up at the front of the bed yet, but let's keep assembling the big tiles. It looks like 3 wide is what I'm going to want to do there, and then we'll put trim pieces on the side to make it a custom fit. And now I've got all the trim pieces, the smaller strips, and I'm going to see about putting them in a way that gives me the best fit into the bed. But yeah, so far this seems pretty straightforward. All right, so I've got it all installed here, and pretty happy with the results. Have a look. So, you know, as you can see here, I got pretty good coverage of the whole bed. And as I said, this is, you can order all these pieces individually. You save a little bit, I believe, when you get the kit like I did. You put in your truck and it tells you which kit you need. Yeah, not a lot of gap here at the back. Maybe I could put like one more strip there, but I don't think it would really fit. And not much, you know, space left here at the back of the bed that's not covered by this stuff. So I feel like this is a pretty good solution, because now I can use all of those blockers up there, and those are available individually as well, to keep stuff from sliding around in my bed. I mean, this thing's not really going anywhere. It can come back like, what is that, like an inch, maybe an inch and a half, if things really shifted. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with this. So I'm gonna load some stuff in here, and you know, we'll see how it looks. Yeah, all right, not bad. I'm gonna still see about organizing some stuff, but yeah, that does a nice job of keeping stuff in one place and keeping a lot of the bed free. I like it. It does a good job of giving me places to secure things in the bed easily, and I can I can change it up. Fits the bed pretty well. Doesn't seem like it's going to go anywhere. Yeah, I'm pretty positive. This TMat stuff seems pretty nice. Made here in America, not ridiculously expensive. I believe the kit that included the square tiles and the trim pieces, and 2 short blockers, 2 tall blockers, and 2 adjustable blockers was a little over $200. Depends on what your build is about, but this for me, if nothing else, since I want to keep the bed largely clear so I can use it for truck stuff when I'm not camping, you know, it fits the bill for that. And it also gives me the ability to kind of try where I want stuff. Once the camper top is on, you know, where I want stuff to go, but I can still reconfigure it. So I'm pretty bullish on this. You know, I'll leave a link for TMat in the description below. I'm not in any way affiliated with them. I don't have affiliate links. This video is not sponsored by them. It's just something that I saw, and for my use case, it you know, it fits the bill. And I'll report back as I get through the year and I start using it with the canopy camper, and we see how it goes. But thanks for watching. Hopefully you found it useful, and you know, please do share the video, like it, subscribe. Still trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, and I've got, you know, less than 150 to go. So if you're not subscribed, please do subscribe to the channel. It helps me out a great deal, costs you nothing. Thanks very much. I'll see you on the next one.